Get serious.
1, 2, 3. What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing some dosirak, and today's gonna be one of the more easier dosirak.
Today's menu is oven baked chicken with some Korean curry.
Korean curry.
Let us know in the comment below where you have your lunch, at school or at work or at the park.
I don't know if you need to tell us that. It's fine. We're gonna just start this video. Okay, to go with our okay.
How many okays?
Along with the curry, we need a little bit of protein, so we're gonna do a delicious oven-baked chicken breast. And this recipe is really all about the rub. 2 tablespoons of butter. That's 1. Oh,
2.
Excuse me, this is my part. 1 tablespoon of herb salt. Do I have to use herb salt? Yes, there's a lot of flavoring and seasoning in here, so go with this. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. That's 1 and 2. 1 tablespoon of salt and ½ tablespoon of dried parsley. Alright guys, and then mix it. I should have let the butter sit out at room temperature. We just gotta get its bigger brother.
No, you know what's the best? You need the sugar.
Katie coming out with her method. I don't know if she's trying to melt the butter into the bowl. And once you get these little flavor crumbles here, we're good. Now I have 2 chicken breasts and I've let these de-thaw. You can just pat these on.
Are you giving the chicken a massage?
Yes. Swedish massage. And flip it over and get the other side as well. Some foil over a drip tray. Rack on. Get the leftover stuff on here.
Neighbors, I want to show you. This is the cake that I'm gonna try to make next week. I'm going to take a lesson.
What is this?
This is called Mont Blanc cake. I don't know what it is exactly, but it just looks very fancy and delicious. Lots of chocolate on top.
I think its name is spaghetti on tart.
No, it's called Mont Blanc cake.
We put it on a bake setting, not broil. 180 degrees Celsius. We're gonna do it for 25 minutes.
See you soon, my friend. All you really need are these vegetables: carrot, onion, and potatoes. That's it. So slice up 1 full onion. So this is a very easy recipe, and like a lot of people make this for work, actually for lunch at work. Next, use 2 potatoes the size of your palm. Just make rough chops. Huge carrot, look at it. We're just gonna use half. So actually my friend is coming for a medical tourism in Korea, and she asked if I wanted to join her on it. And then now that I think about it, I'm kind of considering whether to get some black spot lasered on my face. What do you think, Daniel?
No. Leave it the way it is. Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars.
Alright, so we're using this S&B Golden Curry. This is a Japanese brand, and I think this is one of the best tasting curry blocks. So if you haven't tried it, give it a go.
I've been eating this since I was very young too. Our family used it all the time.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we're gonna fry up the vegetables first. Get some oil, and once it's hot, oh, the chicken is ready! Wow, look at the color.
Yeah, it looks nice. Alright, and we just want to give this a quick flip.
Can you do it?
Oh, so much juice. This one too. Oh. And then 15 more minutes on the other side.
Brown when the onions turn translucent. Pour enough water until it's 1 inch above the ingredient. So you see, it's about this much of water above the ingredient. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna put in this block. Put around 4. I'm just gonna cut it into smaller pieces so it's easier to melt. Give it a stir so the blocks are like thoroughly blended well with the soup. You could use a sift, but I just like to do my style. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 10 minutes on a medium-low heat. Chicken is ready.
Woohoo! Oh, it's so juicy.
Looks nice.
Looks beautiful. Yum, 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 yum.
Daniel,
What?
stop trying to be cute.
Yum, 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 yum. Alright, let's take a look. We'll just chop them up. Oh, it's hot. Wow, guys, perfect. Oh! Ooh. And guys, this is perfect for our dosirak. Alright, and how about the curry, Katie?
Oh, look. Oh, sorry.
And by the way, guys, if this comes out too thick, you can always just add a little bit of water. Or if it's not flavorful enough, just add another cube.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy's the name, y'all.
So even though this container looks really small, I actually find them more than enough when I actually eat.
Rice down, put it over.
Wow.
Oh no! Don't
Looks
fall.
like an art piece.
Chicken breast down.
Whoa!
Move to the left. Curry down. Excuse me, do you want to work in this restaurant? Please pay attention to the details.
Danielle, you haven't even been to the UK.
I know. 조금만 더 위에. We have some persimmon. I love this. It's called kam in Korean. Again, we're not even finished and Katie.
Don't catch me!
We still have some of our cabbage kimchi.
And then we have the pomegranate.
That's right. Oh, but this one, if you chop, you get blood everywhere.
Yeah, that one is a bit scary one.
But we should. And Katie, remember when we were at my house? My mom had this pomegranate de-seeding device.
Yes, it was a spanking thing at the back.
Yeah,
it was quite fun.
You have to put it on something. I don't know how to take this out. This is a steamer. Should we try it on this?
Oh my
Okay,
god, it's
spank
so
it.
crazy.
Sure.
Oh no, let's check out the progress.
There's nothing. Do you know who could give us some tips on how to do this?
Who?
Iranians. There's this Persian dish called fejanjan. I think that's how it is. But I had it when I was in a business trip in Iran. The dish is like a curry and it's made from pomegranate molasses and it's so good.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can't really imagine it. I have to look at a picture.
Dosirak finished!
Finished.
How beautiful it looks!
New week is coming along. We're making our own fun and we hope you do the same. Katie, you got anything exciting coming up for the week?
My baking class.
Oh, that's right. And I'm so excited because I'm going to visit K26, which is Asia's largest swimming pool. I'm going to go scuba dive. Put my license to use. I haven't
I
gone.
hope you survive. And we meet again for next week's video.
That's why? Just to do these videos?
Of course!